Hey, Jim Starwelt here, leader of the Star Home team at Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate, talking to one of our favorite agents today, Scott Straus. How do you feel about the vibe here on our team?
Well, the vibe for me always stems from both location as well as the people involved, right? So the vibe, when you look aesthetically, you look around here, you have vivid colors and a wide open space and just something that's typical of giving you positivity when you walk in the door. And the people here are pretty much the same. They're all buttoned up, they're all working for the same cause, they've been doing this for a long time. I'm not sure I've ever walked through these doors upset or angry. It just kind of exudes happiness, and it's just a real easy work environment, and the team is the same.
I think we like to have fun, so it's like you might come in upset, walk out happy. We're here to help.
Yeah, absolutely. No, I mean it's awesome from top to bottom.
So what do you think sets us apart as a team and an office?
Opportunity, actually. You know, there are a lot of things that are packaged into this thing here. We not only have that backing of the big brand, but we have all the marketing. We have the team resources. We have online presence. You know, there's so many things that we have opportunity-wise under our own roof that it's really second to none. I don't see it anywhere else, and it truly sets us apart in regards to our ability to be able to execute.
I like that you said that. I know I agree that we work really hard on local presence, but let's face it, Better Homes and Gardens, we are associated with a magazine. We've got a 200 million person deep database and resources that you can't get anywhere else.
And that's the coolest part, is being able to show our sellers and our buyers what that can do for them.
Give me one of the best experiences, most fun, serious, whatever, that you've had here on the team.
You know, it's not necessarily one that sticks out. It's more of the fact that it's consistently good. Whether it be holiday parties, or we all go ice fishing together, or whatever the flavor of the month or week might feel here, we're always all in this thing as a team. I've never seen people just sporadically contribute here. Everyone's all in. We come from a place where we all want the best.
We do strive that it's family first here.
100%.
And I hope you get that vibe. so let me ask you one more question.
Yeah.
So, have you ever felt like you didn't have enough support here at the office?
Oh, I've got plenty of support. I've got plenty of support. You know, what's awesome here is you're backed by the admin team, by our listing team, our buyers team, our management team, leadership. There's literally every facet of every transaction is covered. There's never a time where I've watched something fall through the cracks, get overstepped, be forgotten about. It literally, everyone's so good at what they do, it's tough to find a better result with anything, anywhere else.
Give me one word, or at least less than 10, to describe being part of the Star Home team.
That's a really good question. I would say fulfilling.
I'll take that.